What lies beneath? On Senator Chase Escudero.
Is a close friend and campaign contributor of Senator Chase Escudero. I personally submitted the list of projects to Maynard Ngu. I asked, boss, okay na ba ang 20%? Maynard said, okay. After conclusion of the projects in the GAA, I delivered 20% of approximately 800 million or about 160 million, which was meant for Senator Escudero. Senator...
On Senator Joel Villanueva.
Bawat isa sa inyo dito, mga kapwa ko JIL, mata sa mata, wala tayong flood control.
Joel is lying. Iyak ka rin. On Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Your Honor, wala po.
So, safe ka. Safe ka na.
Sige.